Welcome to Asher Learning Adventures. Today we're learning the alphabet. Are you ready to learn the alphabet? Hi, let's start with the letter A. A! A is for apple. Whoa! So many apples! A is for apple. Apple, apple, apple. B! B is for a banana. I really like bananas. Do you like bananas? C! C is for cake. Cake, cake, cake. D! D is for dog. That's a nice little dog. E! E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. That's a lot of nice fish in the water. G. G is for grapes. Really like grapes. Let me take a bite. Yummy. H. H is for heart. Listen to your heart. I. I is for ice cream. Yummy. Do you like ice cream? J. J is for jellyfish. Whoa, so many jellyfish in the water. K. K is for kangaroo. Let's jump like the kangaroo. So much fun. L. L is for lion. Oh my god, the lion tried to get me. M is for moon. That's a nice moon and stars. N is for nose. I should do a nose like this. O. O is for orange. I really like orange. Let me take a bite. Yummy! P! P is for pizza. Pepperoni pizza is my favorite. Wait, take a bite. Q. Q is for queen. That's a nice little queen. Look at her castle. R. R is for robot. Let's move right the robot. S is for sun. Look at the sun over there. T. T is for train. Wow, look at the choo-choo train. U. U is for umbrella. You need an umbrella when it's raining. Wow, so much rain. V. V is for violin. Violin. W. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. Let me take a bite of the watermelon. Watermelon. Yummy. X. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y. Y is for yo-yo. A yo-yo is really fun. I really like this toy. Z. Z is for zebra. Oh no, the zebra is running away. Let's get in. Let's go over the alphabet letters that we learned today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you for learning the alphabet here with Asher. Go to the next video for more fun learning.
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Woo!